Arces out, possession, Côte d'Azur is on the outside. Then racing in third is Yellow Cat, Keys Rose, Mr. Tutler, Excessive Smash, King Eagle, then followed by Golden Fire, Pine Bluff, and Jet Golden is the early trailer. Côte d'Azur by Oralang. Possession is right behind in second. Keys Rose in third. Yellow Cat in fourth. King Eagle is racing in fifth. And in sixth comes Excessive Smosh. Then followed over by Pine Bluff, Golden Fire, Mr. Tutler, and Jet Golden. Côte d'Azur by only half paling. Possession now coming closer on the outside. Possession running on the outside. Côte d'Azur is running by Drella. Yellow Cat in third, then followed over on the outside by King Eagle with Possession by Oralang. Côte d'Azur. Yellow Cat in third, King Eagle in fourth, Keys Rose running by the release Pine Bluff with Possession by Oralang getting up, and in second still is Côte d'Azur, Yellow Cat, King Eagle, Pine Bluff, then followed by Excessive Smash, and down to the finish, and it's still Possession by about 2 lengths. King Eagle is on the outside, Côte d'Azur, then followed over by Yellow Cat, and the finish line, it's all Possession second. Côte d'Azur, close, King Eagle, Pine Bluff, Golden Fire,